Hello friends, let's learn the numbers from 1 to 10 along with their spellings. Let's start with number 1. 1,
O-N-E 1.
2,
T-W-O 2.
3,
T-H-R-E-E 3.
4,
F-O-U-R 4.
5,
F-I-V-E 5.
6,
S-I-X 6.
7,
S-E-V-E-N 7.
8,
E-I-G-H-T 8.
9,
N-I-N-E 9.
10.
T-E-N 10.
Fantastic! You wrote the numbers 1 to 10 and spelled them too. Subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos. Thank you for watching.